Hi. How could I possibly have anything of value to give?
There's got to be more than this. What is it?
And I'm back. My solder gun. Now, let me tell you something. I know Milwaukee makes a really nice battery-operated solder gun. I got butane. You know what? You know, just buy a can of butane, spurt it up in there, in the butt end of this thing here. And when it gets full, it kind of spews out the side. And then you just flick, light it up. Solder. Very exciting stuff. Anyway, my bits will go on top of my solder gun. I love it. Now, when you buy the DeWalt cases, they come with a promotion.